In file-based payment method, basically there is one file which need to be prepared by bank or third-party company, and then upload that file into the SQL drive, and then SAP PIPO will push the file into SAP side, SAP like application server, application server, and then there is one SAP custom custom program. So this custom program will convert the file, convert the payment file, payment file to SAP readable format. So basically, like that custom program will convert that file because the file which company received, that file is not SAP format. That is like bank's format, right? But yeah, there is some field that required. Like those are the mandatory field. Okay, so that file need to be converted into a separate readable format by looking the structure. There is some structure like BF, KK, ZP, BF, KK, ZK, BF, KK, Z, Z, V. Okay, so there are a structure which uh, need to be
सर
used.
फर्स्ट वाला
Okay.
BKFFZ आपने बोला BFFZ।
Oh, sorry, BK, not BK, BF, FKK. So BFKK Z. So this is one header like BFKK Z, BFKK Z, PZK. ZK is payment load header. Okay, this is like header data, and this is like ZP is like one BFKK ZP is item data, item of the file, like how many items are there, and BFKK ZP is the footer. Okay. So this interface, like this file will be converted based out of this structure BFK ZP, ZK, ZV, ZV. Okay, so this structure can be used, and so this is like electronics payment. You can say electronics payments, and this structure are being used. So the payment load transfer program will process the mandatory SB field and additional key field to the remittance file, and it will be like it will do like in order to post payment to the contract account. So post that, like once the file is converted, okay, then there is one transaction code that need to be used, and that file can be visible through that is pool eligible SP01, and that payment can be posted through the transaction code FP breathe. So this is the T code to post payment lot, to post uh, to post file-based payment lot, file-based payment lot. So in FTP3, you will have option to select the file, and you have to select the file, and you have to process through batch, and then whatever contract account are there into that file, all the payment will take and they will post into SAP. They will post it into SAP site. Okay. So the mapping need to be done, right? Like the bank file and SAP readable file. So there should be like one mapping need to be done. So what mapping need to be done? Like there are some field or there are some element that should be included into that file so that SAP will read that file and they will convert the file. If that field is not there, right, into that file, then it is not possible to convert it. So there is one template which will give by utility company to bank. Like this is the format. Like this is the field that we need required to post payment into SAP. So that file, right? That file, what would be the field of that file? Like that field can be
Sir,
visible. Yes.
सर सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट आई जस्ट लॉस्ट इन बिटवीन सो ये जो पेमेंट फाइल है जो सिक्योर ड्राइव में होता है ये पेमेंट फाइल कौन भेजता है जस्ट गॉट कंफ्यूज
Payment file will send by utility, sorry, bank or any third party company. So when it's a third party company, there would be some third parties like Paymenters, Cubras, right? So there are third party company which will manage the payment for utility companies, right?
ओके
Let's say let's say customer went into the portal and they made a payment. Then third party company will receive the payment, right? In a day. Let's say today, like third party company receive 10,000 of payments. So they will consolidated all the payments that received by a day and they'll prepare a file, right? And then file will be need to upload it into the SQL trap and then SAP PIP will take the file from the drive. It will push the file into SAP application server. Okay, once the server that can be visible through the T code that is AL11. This is a transaction code where you can see the application server file. And then that file, right? That file need to be converted into SAP readable format. So there is a custom program which need to be run. And through the custom program, there is an option to input the file and it will give the output of the file. And output need to load again into application server L11. There is one dedicated folder basically. One is bank folder and one is converted file like success folder. Okay. So once the file is converted, then based out of this structure, then we run the uh, transaction like FPP3, right? And through FPP3, we take the input, that converted file, and we execute the program. Once we execute, then the payment will get posted into contract account level. Payment will get posted into contract account level. But before posting into contract account level, make sure that file need to like convert it into this format. Because as we read through this structure, it is a structure formatted. And this structure having definitely there are field, right? If you want to see the field into SAP, then you can see that, right? If you want to see any structure, you need to go to SE11. Here you need to pass BFKK ZK. So this is the header of that structure, header item of payment or transfer. And you can see the field, right? So this field need to be included through that file. Otherwise, the file like will not get read. Like bank file should have this field. If you want to see the file, like once it's converted, then it will look like this. You need to go to SCL11. Then I have one path to that to see the file. I think is that, yeah. So you can see the structure PFK, ZK, ZP, ZS, ZV. There are four structures inside. Okay, so the first one would be the header one. Okay, so it contains this details. So this way you'll see the list of files. This is for one contract account, but yeah, in real time you'll see that like lost lot of like uh, data over here. And this is the directory, like element directory, like SAP application server, where we load the file and where we like extract the file or take the file or you can push the file through this directory through PIPU. So that can be done through element directory. Okay, so here you can see there are four structure BFK, ZK, ZP, ZV, then ZS is also there. Okay, what is ZS? This is K, this is S. ZS is additional section. Acha, additional sections. Payment of transfer. So whatever field you can see it over here. So same field will get applied over here. The first one you can see the number, right? So this is a record type flow transfer. Then second one you can see the table name. And this is the table name BFZS. Then third option you can see the G. G means business partner. The selection category. That's why you can see the selection category G. And that G need to be have some field, right? So if you pass that uh, business partner, then you see the business partner. Then the second one again like selection category K, and then contract account. This say and selection category K, and this is the contract account field value to be selected. Again like selection category, and again you can see the field. But in the third option, we do not give anything. And in the last option, you can see the partial amount that refer to the specified selections. But I haven't give any partial amount. That's why you can see the zero balance. For example, you want to see that BFK ZK. Okay, ZK. So whatever field you can see it over here in ZK. So all the field will get populated in this line. First line. The first one is record type. Second one is table name. Table name. Third one is payment lot number. So whatever number you're passing, this is the payment lot number. Okay. Then you can see the text. Search item for payment lot. That's why you can see the text. Then you can see the reconciliation key for general ledger. Right. Reconciliation key for general ledger. This is the recount key. Then you can see the bank uh, clearing account. This is the bank clearing account of GL account. You can see. Then you can see the company code. The next item you can see the company code. Then business area. Then document type. Then currency. This is a document type, then this is a currency, and this is a date. See the one date, two, the three date. So here you can see the exchange rate, right? Input posting date, you can see. This is the date, document date, you can see this, see that, value date, you can see that. There are three dates. That's why you can see the three field. So this way you can see the field, like table field. You got my idea now? So basically this structure is needed to help that. So this is one things. Now, if you're talking about the real time payment, right? Real time payment through API, through API. So what that need to be do in real time payment through API? So basically, see here, like customer login into that portal and initiate
सर
the. हाँ,
सर एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन सो ये मतलब once we convert the file into ACP readable format to
mhm.
this
This is
these
structure,
three
three structure.
हाँ ये जो structure है so after that this through this PB3 we can it will get posted the payment will get posted to contract
Contact.
account level right.
Yes, yes. In FPP3, you need to pass the folder, right? I'll show you in upcoming time FPP3. Here you can see the FPP3. There is a one identification you have to put, and you have to give the path, like application area, like where the file is located. And then you need to execute through the background mode or through directly into for mode over here. Okay. I'll show you that part. I think. So now just try to understand the process. So now real time through API. So here like customer log in into the portal and initiate the payment based on the invoice amount, whatever invoice amount they have, right? So based out of invoice amount, they need to make a payment. And customer can make a payment via like in different ways via usually like customer can first customer login. The process is customer log in into the portal, right? Then the second steps is customer will make payment, payment based out of customer will make a payment based out of just a second, huh? 1 second. Huh? Oh, sorry, I was speaking in mute. So discussing about API, real-time API payment. So here like customer log in into the portal and then customer can initiate their payment based out of invoice amount, based out of which amount? Based out of invoice amount. Based out of invoice amount. Then the next step is that portal, right? That portal send uh, payment details to the gateway vendor. Here, like gateway vendor authenticate gateway vendor authenticates payment and verify the payment. Either it's like Real or verify the payment transactions. Once it verify the payment transactions, then the gateway vendor will give the confirmations is success or fail. Success, success, confirmations, confirmations, success confirmations. And then if it is success, uh, then that the gateway, right? The gateway generate generate a token for the payment. And then like it's share the payment informations into SAP, and then payment will get payment get posted into contract account automatically. So there is automations for this process. Okay. So uh see, there is important things like payment request is sent to the gateway vendor for authentication and verification. If it is success, then uh, like customer can save their details like card details and all for future payment, or if they do not want to save their details, then like gateway vendor like will give that token. Through the token, like it will say uh, the success or failure message through the token actually. And if the payment is success, then the payment will get share the payment information to SAP with the help of API, and then payment will get posted immediately into customer side. So this is the like important one for posting payment from SAP from like portal.
सर अगर एपीआई के थ्रू पेमेंट हो जाएगा तो हम लोग AL11 से जाके बैठेंगे ना इंटरफेस के थ्रू
No, no, no,
या
no,
फिर
no, no. API payment directly like it will post it into contract account. Suppose if there is a failure, right? So if there is a failure, then we can see through the log like SXMB underscore money में जाके we'll see that logs like if it is fail or success. If it is fail, there is no involvement of AL11.
AL11 से क्या दिक्कत है सर हमें?
That can be used for file based payment in AL11. Now, if you need more details, right, then we'll discuss the more details. So this is a real-time payment through API. Now, sometimes like this is an important one. In a project, like you'll see this type of payment. Like you can go to the website and then you can make a payment as well. Okay. So this is pretty important one. Now you have an idea about API payment, right? Okay, so here like customer can make a payment through the website, right? So there would be some integrations. There will be some integrations for this API payment or portal payment. So there should be like integrations. Integrations with whom? Integrations. Integration between SAP to SAP to portal that will help to post real time payment payments. Okay, so portal payments. So there is an integration between SAP to portal that will help to post real time payments, and this payment will respectively like posted into contract account level. Once the payment is posted, then SAP will send a confirmations response back to portal. Like uh, once a payment get posted into SAP, SAP, then SAP will send a confirmations message. So this confirmation message would be successful or successful or failure. Okay, failure to the portal, to the portal.